Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to naturally cleanse your kidneys at home. Our kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste and toxins from our bodies, so it's crucial to keep them healthy. In this video, I'll be sharing some simple and effective tips to support kidney health. Let's get started. Our kidneys are responsible for filtering waste products and excess fluids from our bloodstream, maintaining the balance of electrolytes, regulating blood pressure, and producing hormones that contribute to overall well-being. When our kidneys are not functioning optimally, waste and toxins can build up, leading to various health issues. That's why it's crucial to prioritize kidney health and implement natural cleansing methods. One of the most important factors in maintaining kidney health is staying hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day helps flush out toxins and supports optimal kidney function. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day, and consider increasing your intake during hot weather or physical activity. Additionally, incorporating herbal teas like dandelion tea or nettle tea can have diuretic properties that help promote kidney cleansing. A balanced and nutritious diet is essential for overall health, including kidney health. Focus on consuming whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid or limit processed foods, excess salt, and foods high in sugar. Some specific foods that are beneficial for kidney health include berries, leafy greens, garlic, onions, and turmeric. These foods provide antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that support kidney function. Certain herbs and natural remedies can aid in cleansing and supporting kidney health. For instance, parsley has diuretic properties and can help flush out toxins. You can add fresh parsley to your meals or make a parsley tea. Other herbs like ginger, turmeric, and dandelion root can also be beneficial for kidney health. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional or herbalist before incorporating herbal remedies into your routine. In addition to diet, certain lifestyle habits can contribute to kidney health. Regular exercise helps improve blood circulation and supports overall organ function, including the kidneys. Managing stress levels through relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga can also positively impact kidney health. Additionally, avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption is crucial for maintaining healthy kidneys. Excessive sodium consumption can put a strain on the kidneys and contribute to high blood pressure. Limiting your intake of processed and packaged foods, which are often high in sodium, can help reduce the burden on your kidneys. Instead, opt for fresh, whole foods and use herbs and spices to add flavor to your meals. Getting enough rest and quality sleep is crucial for overall health, including kidney health. During sleep, the body undergoes repair and regeneration processes, allowing the kidneys to function optimally. Establish a consistent sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine to promote better sleep. Certain foods are known for their kidney cleansing properties. Cranberries and cranberry juice have been shown to help prevent urinary tract infections and support kidney health. Additionally, foods like watermelon, cucumbers, and celery have high water content and can aid in flushing out toxins. Urinating regularly helps remove waste and toxins from the body. Avoid holding in urine for extended periods, as this can increase the risk of urinary tract infections and put pressure on the kidneys. Be mindful of your body's signals and make sure to empty your bladder when needed. Regular physical activity not only improves overall health, but also supports kidney function. Engaging in moderate exercise for at least 30 minutes a day can help improve blood circulation and promote the elimination of waste products. Additionally, maintaining a healthy weight reduces the risk of developing conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure, which can negatively impact kidney health. Overeating can burden the kidneys by increasing the workload to filter excessive amounts of food waste. Practice portion control and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues to avoid overeating. This helps maintain a healthy weight and promotes optimal kidney function. Smoking has detrimental effects on overall health, including kidney health. It can damage blood vessels and reduce blood flow to the kidneys, impairing their function over time. Quitting smoking is a crucial step toward improving kidney health and overall well-being. High blood pressure and uncontrolled diabetes can contribute to kidney damage. Take steps to manage these conditions by following a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and adhering to any prescribed medications. Monitoring blood pressure and blood sugar levels regularly is important for kidney health. Diets high in animal protein can put strain on the kidneys and increase the risk of developing kidney problems. Consider incorporating plant-based sources of protein such as legumes, tofu, tempeh, and quinoa into your diet. These alternatives provide valuable nutrients while being easier on the kidneys. Some medications, especially nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and NSAIDs, like ibuprofen, can harm the kidneys if used excessively or for prolonged periods. Consult with your healthcare provider and use medications as directed to minimize the risk of kidney damage. Chronic stress can impact overall health, including kidney health. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as engaging in relaxation techniques, practicing mindfulness, or pursuing hobbies that help you unwind. This can have a positive impact on kidney health. Engaging in regular exercise not only improves blood circulation, but also promotes the elimination of waste products through sweating. Incorporate exercises that target the core and promote kidney health, such as yoga twists and stretches that gently massage the kidney area. Consult with a fitness professional for specific exercises suitable for your fitness level. Excessive intake of phosphorus, commonly found in processed foods and carbonated beverages, can contribute to kidney problems. Limit consumption of processed meats, canned foods, and carbonated drinks, and opt for fresh, whole foods instead. Taking care of our kidneys is vital for our overall well-being. By implementing these natural methods for kidney cleansing, including staying hydrated, following a healthy diet, incorporating herbal remedies, and adopting healthy lifestyle habits, we can support optimal kidney function. Remember, if you have any underlying kidney conditions or concerns, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Take care, and be well.